lines on it. So hold it by the screw. And I'm going to trade with you. Because see that big open mouth? That open mouth is going to go around the edge of your desk. There you go. Put that open mouth around the edge of the desk. And now you're going to lift up on the screw and see if the piece of wood fits underneath it. So lift up a ways. There you go. If it does, turn righty-tighty to make your clamp really tight. If it does not, then you have to keep on going lefty-loosey. All right, so there we go, righty-tighty. Good work, Awais. Keep on going. Kenya or Kia, try the other way. You're making it even looser. We want it to go tight now. And this one, we're going to put this around the edge of the desk first. And there you go. Now go righty-tighty. Yep, so hold on to your clamp.
Keep turning it, sweetheart. Is that it? Maybe it's it already. Oh,
Keep on going righty-tighty. You want it to be really tight.
Let's see if we can try that again. Undo it. Lefty-loosey.
Really tight.
Yeah, lefty-loosey as much as you can. Lefty-loosey.
There you go. If you think it's tight enough, do the wiggle test. Can your wood wiggle? If the wood
Make it nice
cannot
and loose.
wiggle, use your screwdriver to take the pictures off.
Perfect. Now shove it in as much as you can.
And then you can trade them for different pictures up here. And which way are we going to turn? Righty-tighty or lefty-loosey? Excellent. Nice work, guys. Good. We want it to be stuck. Is your wood stuck too? Yes. So, take a screwdriver, take the screws out. These guys. Which way are you going to turn? Righty-tighty or lefty-loosey? Lefty-loosey. Good work. Nice job. It looks like your screws are already out. So do you have different pictures you'd like to put on? There's all kinds of emojis in here. There's all kinds of badges.
I like the last one. Yeah, let me go. Wait, I made this one. I made this one. Like this.
Oh, you have lots of energy. You should not be sitting. Did you want this smiley face? All right. Is there another picture that you would like to have? Okay, so what if you put that one on while I make this one loose? Oh, sometimes they get a little stuck around there. There you go. Make it loose. There you go. Excellent. So pick some new pictures and put something else on. So we've got all kinds of faces here. We've got all kinds of pictures there. Oh, cute.
Take a pilot.
Excellent. All right.
Now that's nice. That's nice. That's nice.
And that's tight enough. Good work, boys. And that's tight enough. Good work. All right, do you have another picture you'd like to stick on? Which one are you going to do? Are you putting this smiley face on? Or are you putting a crazy face on? Or another bag? Okay.